Good morning, folks. We're starting off this Wednesday with some uneventful markets. We've got the markets relatively flat. We're seeing some weakness yet again in the Nasdaq. That's coming off the back of this jump in yields that we've seen, particularly the 10-year, which hit 1.7% yesterday. That move higher pushed the Nasdaq and all these technology stocks lower to the tune of 1.3%. So a lot of pressure on technology stocks over the past 36 hours, seeing some further weakness again today. Now, we've already had some big economic data out this morning. We had the ADP jobs report. It was a big number, double what they were expecting, coming at above 800,000 new private sector jobs. We've still got the big non-farm payroll event coming out on Friday with the expectation there that we're going to see about 400,000 plus non-farm payroll, so new jobs created. So you still got time at Nadex to go into our prediction markets and our event-based markets and make a prediction on that non-farm payroll number. That contract will expire on Friday morning. Now, that being said, you look at some of these other markets, FX right now, dollar weakness pretty much across the board. Jump over to oil. We're seeing oil higher again, pressing up right now, just shy of $78 a barrel in WTI, so just shy of a 1% move. All right, folks, a lot of things moving. We've got some more data due out for the rest of the week. We've got the Fed minutes coming out today, so again, a lot that could shake these markets up. Let's get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.